How's it, guys? Welcome to today's video. Thanks for supporting the boy. Anyway, we here today working on the Audi, as you can see from the title of the video. In the last video we did install the LED screen radio, the Android unit, but today we're just gonna finish up the job. I got my Rearview camera, so now that's ready to be installed. That's what we're going to be busy with today. Should be exciting and interesting, so I'm going to take you guys through each and every step that I'm going to take through this video. But for now, let me show you the camera and then I'll show you the placement, and we'll take it from there. So yeah. Okay, so this is the camera that I ordered. Right, so comes with wiring. This is the wiring that's gonna go all the way to the head unit, the front. This is the power wire for the camera, and this is the camera. So yeah, so it should look fairly decent. But yeah, we'll do a review soon after we finish installing. So this is what it looks like. It's not too bad for the price, but yeah, let's test fit it and then take it from there. As you guys can see, right in the middle here I have my latch that opens up the boot, so I can't really center it. My focus is really bad right now. Okay, that's better. So as you can see, I cannot center it, so it has to be off a little bit. So it's either on this side or on this side, but I think I'll prefer it on this side. So yeah, for now we're just gonna open up on the inside and see how we're gonna wire this puppy up. As you can see, it's out finally after a lot of fighting and wheeling. There's like couple of clips here and there, here, here, here. So just clips all over. And then this bottom part is screwed into here, and it has clips all around. So now that is done, I need to figure out which side I'm gonna run my RCA, and then I'm gonna more or less, yeah, work towards that. Thanks to my riveted in license plate, this is literally, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is literally the space that I have to make this work. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, really fun. But yeah, I might have to reinforce the wire, pinch it through the back. If I could take this out, I would take it in the house and drill it, but at the moment I don't think I'll win with taking this out. But yeah, let me. Okay, so this is where we are so far. That is popping out of there, so now I'm gonna have to self-tap those two screws, get the holder on, and then we do the wiring from the inside. So it's looking good so far. Yeah, stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying so far, and the end result should be spectacular. So yeah, I'm very excited. Okay, so this is what I've come up with so far. I opened up a channel for the cord to go through. Let's make it a little bit neater. So I'll show you just now when I have the Okay, so this is the next day. This is where we're at. The wires are routed. I'm still gonna tighten this back. Going down here. Managed to splice through this grommet. I think it was too small to have the RCA go through. So I just spliced through there. Had it coming out of there. And then spliced at the back of this grommet. So this is where it's going. All the way to inside. So on the inside, I have loosened this panel and I have loosened this. So now we're gonna have to take out the tail light and splice out of this wire there, and then move the RCA along the doors. So unfortunately, to get this out, I had to take this cover off, and then take these strap pins, whatever you call them, for the luggage. I had to take them out so this can come free. So yeah, it's looking good so far. Stay tuned. So I managed to splice the positive wire to the reverse light. So if you want the reverse wire, it's this light blue with red stripe. So that is your reverse wire positive. So I've done that. Now just need to close this up, and then we route the RCA. Officially done with the installation. Everything is wrapped up, besides the boot, still a mess, but everything works. So I'm gonna show you just now. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, alright, put it in reverse, and there we go. Obviously I still need to adjust the angle and whatnot, but I'm gonna do that soon. So as you can see, it's in reverse. The moment you take it out of reverse, it goes back to normal. So yeah, today was a success. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I know I couldn't do a lot of explaining. This is literally the third day I'm working on this car, just with the reverse camera, and it's full time. So if you're planning to do a reverse camera install on an Audi A4 B6, the Avant, yeah, you might want to take a couple of days off just to make sure you finish it on time. I mean, everything is just over-engineered, so it takes a while to take out all the clips. It's a process. So, but officially, everything's all good. I just need to tidy up the back, and then we're done, and then on to the next project. So again, thank you guys for watching. It means a lot to me. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.